The 2013 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, anti-roll bars, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, power driver seat, air conditioning, CD player. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.